How to enable and disable Google Chat on Gmail accounts on your email address. Open your email address on your device. Tap on the three line at top of the screen here. Scroll down to the settings. Tap on it. Now here you see personal Gmail. Tap on chat. Now you have this option. Show the chat app. Tap on it. You will be returned to the inbox when you make this change. Tap on it. Toggle it on. Now you've been able to enable and disable chat on your Gmail account. Now to disable it, just like I've explained, tap on the line again, scroll up to the settings, tap on it, then tap on the chat again. Then here you have it. Here you have show the chat app, show procreative rating suggestion, then you may block. Now tap on it to toggle it off. So doing that, you've been able to disable the chat again by going through the settings and the chat, and here you have it turned on. Then tap on done. That's all the process, guys, on how to enable and disable chat on Gmail account on your email address. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.